Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about what is the best diet, and for that there's so many diets out there, there's so many, and it's so confusing. And there's the 5-2 diet, there's the paleo diet, there's the Atkins diet, there's the cabbage soup diet, the more ridiculous type of diets. There's the low carb, there's high carb, there's carb cycling. There's so much out there, but what you have to understand in order to get a grasp of this is each and every single one of those diets revolves around one simple fact, and that is that you are in a calorie deficit. Okay, even this word has become trendy over the past few years, I've noticed, but basically you will have an amount of calories that you maintain weight on. Okay, if you go over that amount of calories, then you will gain weight. If you go under that amount of calories, then you will lose weight. So the first thing we need to do is find out what that maintenance calorie amount is. So that's step one, is find out where your maintenance calories are. So in order to find out where your maintenance calories are, what you need to do is you need to consistently track everything that goes in your mouth. Calorie wise needs to be tracked, and it needs to be tracked consistently for a 2 or 3 week period. And so does your weight. You need to be weighing yourself every morning on the scales before or after you've been to the toilet, and preferably naked, to keep everything the same on that. And what we're going to do with that is we're going to take the average of the 7 days. We're going to weigh ourselves for 7 days. We're going to take the average, and we're going to track that weekly average for a period of 2 or 3 weeks to see if we gain weight, if we lose weight, or we maintain weight, and we're going to keep the calories exactly the same. That way we find our maintenance. Once we've found our maintenance calorie amount, then we can subtract from that and create a calorie deficit in order to lose weight. But none of this matters unless you are completely consistent with your diet over time. So the best diet for you is the one that you can stick to long term. So have a play around with different diets, try different things. Over the years, over the past 20 years, I've tried every single diet you could imagine, and I've found the one that works perfectly for me, and that is just a healthy, balanced diet, 3 meals a day with 2 snacks during the day, and tracking my calories to around 2,500, there or thereabouts. That will always guarantee that I will lose weight. But I've done that, I've learned that over the years. So in order to find out the best diet for you, I suggest that you go and experiment, but first of all, find out where your maintenance calories are, and then you can subtract from that, and you will consistently lose weight. And then when you start losing weight, that is your new maintenance calorie amount, so you need to go a little bit lower than that, or increase the activity level that you do. So in conclusion, the best diet for you is the one that you can stick to long term.